Good morning, class. Again, we are here with our English online class. Today, 11th of January 2020, it's a Monday. I hope you all must be safe and fine at your home. Today, we are going to our writing session. Today, we are going to start our writing part. And today, we want to discuss article writing. Okay, article writing. Before that, we should have to know what is an article, right? An article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. Okay, an article is a piece of writing written for a large audience. The main motive behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspaper or any magazines or any journals so as to make some differences in the world. Again, I am telling you, the main motto of behind writing an article is that it should be published in either newspaper or magazine or any journal so as to make some difference to the world. So this is an article writing. Here in article writing, the topics of interest of the writer or it may related to some current issue should be there. The topic can either be serious or not so serious. Same goes for its tone and language. So what are the objectives? An article is written with the following objectives. Note it down in your copy. What are the objectives when you write article writing? Right? What are the objectives? First, it brings out the topics. It brings out the टॉपिक, ये हमारा मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव रहेगा। जब हम लिखेंगे तो हम इस चीज का ध्यान रखेंगे, it brings out the topic or the matter of interest to the in the limelight. Then it provides information. Second number, it provides information. It provides information. Okay. Then it offers some suggestions and advices. It offers some suggestions and advices. Okay. Then next, it influences the readers to think it. Okay. It urges the reader to think it. Right? Again, we discuss, it brings out the topic, whatever the topic you have given, it have some idea that related to the topic. Then it provides some information about the topic. Then it offers some suggestions or advices in that topic. It urges the reader to think about it. सोचने मजबूर कर देता है रीडर को कि आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं. Article discuss various topic, stories, locations, and many topics. ठीक है ना? So these are some of the objectives behind writing an article. Article writing लिखने के लिए हमें ये objective होने चाहिए. You get my point? Now, what are the format? What is the format? Sorry, what is the format of article writing? Okay. Note it down in your copy also, so that if you remember all these steps, you can able to write the article writing. Format of an format of article writing, right? First one is article must be organized in a proper way so as to draw the attention of the readers. An article must be organized in a proper way so as to draw the attention of the readers. So here some format is there. First, heading and title should be there. Number one, हेडिंग होना चाहिए. आपकी कोई भी आर्टिकल की हेडिंग नहीं है तो रॉन्ग है, फॉर्मेट गलत है. हेडिंग या टाइटल होनी चाहिए सबसे फर्स्ट. किसी भी आर्टिकल को लिखने के लिए आपको पहला उसका हेडिंग डालना है. सपोज क्वेश्चंस में आपको हेडिंग दिया नहीं गया है या टाइटल नहीं दिया गया है, सिचुएशंस दिया गया है, आपको सिचुएशंस को समझ के अपने हिसाब से एक टाइटल फ्रेम करना. ठीक है, या कोई पिक्चर दे दी है, अब आपको समझना. सपोज एक पिक्चर दे दी होगी, चाइल्ड लेबर दिख रहा है कि बच्चा काम कर रहा है, बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है, लाइक दैट. तो आप उसके हिसाब से हेडिंग या टाइटल लिखेंगे कि आप क्या समझना चाहते हैं. ठीक है ना. सेकेंड, a line having the writer's name, then a line having writer's name. आपका नाम जो लिख रहा है उसका नेम आएगा नीचे. पहले टाइटल हो गया, देन नीचे आपका नेम आएगा. ठीक है. देन body of the third number is body of the article. It must be 2 to 3 paragraphs. 2 to 3 paragraphs. It must be 2 to 3 paragraphs. Then conclusion should be there. Last one. Conclusion. जो आप end करेंगे, ending of the paragraph. Ending of the paragraph. समझ में आया? Ending of the paragraph. Okay. So here we can say that conclusion. So this is the correct format of your writing article. First, heading or title of the article should be there. Second, writer's name, that means saying that byline. आपका नाम आना चाहिए. Then body of the article should be of 2 to 3 paragraphs. Then at the end, conclusion क्या निकला आपका writing. Like this. Ending part. Okay. Think of the topic you want to write an article about it. Your target should be attract the reader. आपका टारगेट ये होना चाहिए कि जब आप राइट आर्टिकल लिख रहे हैं तो पढ़ने वाला अट्रैक्ट इंटरेस्ट लेके पढ़े. He must have some interest. He put some interest to read your article. ऐसा आर्टिकल होना चाहिए, बहुत इम्प्रेसिव वन. अगर इम्प्रेसिव नहीं है, then no one will eager to read your article. Okay. Then collect some information about it. क्वेश्चन में नहीं है, मुझे तुम्हें जो उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड इंफॉर्मेशन पता है, कहीं पढ़ी है आपने, तो उस इंफॉर्मेशन को पुट इट देयर इन योर आर्टिकल. गुड इंफॉर्मेशन जो आपने पढ़ी हो, जो पूरे रीडर्स ने नहीं पढ़ी हो. देन arrange that information in a very systematic way and logical manner. Sequence wise होना चाहिए, ऊपर नीचे नहीं होना चाहिए. तब जाके आपका आर्टिकल बहुत impressive, attractive होगा. Then you will get full marks. Okay. So next thing is there, while writing an article, always use proper grammar, spelling, proper punctuations. Be particular about it. Whenever you are writing an article, you should be very much alert about your proper grammar, spelling, and punctuation marks. Second, use more and more vocabulary skills. जितना आप new words लिखेंगे, definitely language skill will increase. Next, keep the introduction of the topic catchy interesting and short. The introduction of your body of the article should be very catching one, very impressive one, and short. Then discuss the opinion and the matter in an organized and descriptive manner. If you will, whatever information you have got it regarding that particular topic, that should be arranged in a very proper sequence manner. तब आपका आर्टिकल ऐसे नहीं जैसे हम पैराग्राफ लिखते थे ऐसे लिखते हैं, नहीं, आर्टिकल में जो मैंने बताया है ये पॉइंट्स ये होने चाहिए, कि अंदर क्या क्या चीज आ रहा है ये भी जान। The language should not be too formal. आपका लैंग्वेज फॉर्मल नहीं होना चाहिए, सिंपल लैंग्वेज नहीं होना चाहिए। The article must be easy to understand. Easy language should be there for better understanding, but it should not be formal one. Okay. The title of the article must be catchy one, clearly understandable. पढ़ने वाले को समझ में आए कि क्या कहना चाहते हैं। ऐसा घुमा के टाइटल मत लिखिए, पढ़ने वाले को कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा। Okay, so certain points should be remembered while writing an article. The topics of your article should be unique and relevant to your concerned topic portion. The article has to get attention. It should attract the reader. It has to be very, very interesting one. The reader is easily identify the topic. Find the main goal, main motive of your writing an article. The goal can be anything, whatever, but it provides some genuine information for your topic. Okay. The introduction of your topic should be very impressive. For that, you have to use vocabulary skills. Okay. Clear statements and clear notification should be there, right? Write a good and logical ending which is come in your conclusion. जो आप एंड करेंगे पैराग्राफ का या आर्टिकल का, उसका बहुत अच्छा गुड और लॉजिकल एंडिंग होना चाहिए। मीन्स आपने जो भी कुछ कहा है बॉडी में उसका कोई लॉजिक बनता है जिसका आपने कंक्लूजन निकाला। Understood? So this is some of the tips or points you should have to remember while writing a article. Format I have given you, objectives I have told you, and some tips I have given you that you should have to remember. Okay. I will give you some more things. Your article should be, as I told you, byline should be there. आपका नाम होना चाहिए. आपका नाम नहीं होएगा तो बहुत दिक्कत होएगी, isn't it? Suppose let's do and some example. Okay. Suppose I will give you an example to. I will give you a situation that a scene is there for your school. एक school का scene है. And students are running here and there. It is the lunch time, okay, and they are using the taps, and they have just washing their hands and leave the taps like this, open it, remain there, and they just run away and rushing here and there and like that. So according to you, what will be your title of that article writing? Raise up your hand. मैंने एक सिचुएशन बताई आपको कि आपका एक स्कूल है जिसे रिसेस टाइम, children are rushing towards it for washing their hands. They just keep the tap open and remain here and there, moving here and there like that, and students are bullying each other like that, है ना? So what will be it's a scene of, it is not a scene of a lunch break I'm saying, it's a, I'm giving you situations, but the main motto is near about the tap water tap area. So what will be your title heading for this article? Yes, Mansi?
Save water.
Huh?
Save water.
Save water, very good. Krishna Soni, what will be your title?
Water is life.
Water is life. Okay, fine. Yes, Khyati?
Ma'am, school discipline.
What?
School discipline.
It is not about the discipline of the school. The situation is not about that.
Water should be conserved.
Water should be conserved. Okay, as Nile is telling, wastage of water in fun. Wastage of water in fun. Yes, Rishabh, what will be your title?
And water conservation.
Water conservation, good. Or any more title?
Save water, save life.
Earth, very good, Deepika.
Water is precious and money.
Water is precious.
Water is precious than money. Than money.
Okay, Satprit, what do you want to say? Satprit.
Ma'am, water is precious than money.
Good. So in this way, you can able to identify any title. If any situation is given, you can easily frame out any catchy title. So then afterwards, you will have to write the body of your article writing and its closing. So I hope whatever I have told you related to the article writing, its format, its objective, and some points, it must be clear to you.